Good afternoon, my dear children. Welcome back to another interesting session with me. Do you remember what we have learnt yesterday? Yes? I'm sure you all remember that yesterday we have done a beautiful, a very interesting grammar topic, the first grammar topic, that is kinds of sentences. That's right, kinds of sentences. I know my children are very, very intelligent. They're deeply engrossed in studies now since all the fun activities are over. And so our topic was kinds of sentences. And children, what were the 4 kinds of sentences? We had statement, interrogative sentence, an exclamatory sentence, and an imperative sentence. A statement, an interrogative sentence, an exclamatory sentence, and an imperative sentence. As we said, a statement always ends with a a statement always ends with a period or a full stop. It always begins with a capital letter. It's a simple sentence which states anything. An interrogative sentence is a question, interrogation, and it always ends with a question mark. An exclamatory sentence, exclaiming a sudden surprise, and it always ends with an exclamation mark. An imperative sentence is basically a command or a request, and it always ends with a period or a full stop. Okay, now today we'll not be doing any like warm up or something like that, but instead I have to show you a very, very interesting song which will help us to deeply learn the kinds of sentences which we have done today, and to help you further so that it gets fixed in your mind. I have a very, very interesting small little song on kinds of sentences, and I'm sure that you are going to love this. Let's watch it.
Declarative, 4 types of sentences. Imperative, 4 types of sentences. Interrogative, 4 types of sentences. Exclamatory, 4 types of sentences.
Declarative,
Statement,
imperative,
command,
interrogative,
question,
exclamatory,
shout,
declarative,
statement,
imperative,
command,
interrogative,
question,
exclamatory,
shout.
declarative,
Is when you're making a statement. Usually it ends in a period.
period, you're just trying to make it known. For example,
My brother plays trombone.
imperative is a command or request like,
Brush your teeth, or please finish this test.
and it's easy to remember too,
Because imperative sentences tell you what to do.
Declarative, 4 types of sentences. Imperative, 4 types of sentences. Interrogative, 4 types of sentences. Exclamatory, 4 types of sentences.
declarative,
Statement,
imperative,
command,
interrogative,
question,
exclamatory,
shout,
declarative,
statement,
imperative,
command,
interrogative,
question,
exclamatory,
shout.
interrogative.
Is in the form of a question like,
Are you suffering from indigestion?
This type of sentence is easy to spot.
Because it always ends.
In a question mark.
Exclamatory. Always shows strong feeling like.
There's a big hairy spider on the ceiling.
The thing that sets this sentence apart is that it always ends.
In an exclamation mark.
Okay, kids, let's do some examples of each type of sentence. Declarative.
The sky is blue.
Imperative.
Pick up the shoe.
Interrogative.
Do you want fries with that?
Exclamatory.
I love my hat.
Declarative.
I like ice cream.
Imperative.
Don't be mean.
Interrogative.
What's your name?
Exclamatory.
We won the game. Declarative. 4 types of sentences. Imperative. 4 types of sentences. Interrogative. 4 types of sentences. Exclamatory. 4 types of sentences.
Okay children, welcome back. I hope you all loved that song. I'm sure you did. It was such an interesting song, right? Okay, alright. Now I have bought something for you to again further learn whatever the kind of sentences we have done yesterday. I have brought a thing with me. Look what it is. It's a painting, right? It's a painting and it's made by me. Okay, now I have brought an object with me, right? So I'll be using the 4 different kinds of sentences which I have taught you and describe this painting. Isn't it an interesting way that I'm using all the 4 different kinds of sentences that we have learned and to describe this painting? Okay, number 1, declarative sentence. It is a painting. When I say declarative sentence, I can say this is a painting. If I want to say it in the interrogative sentence, I can say, is it a painting? Is it a painting? That's an interrogative sentence. An exclamatory sentence. Wow, what a beautiful painting it is. And if I have to use it in an imperative sentence to give an order or a command, I can say, look at this beautiful painting. So I have used this painting to describe all the 4 different kinds of sentences, to explain how you can use any object or any sentence and just change it into the different kinds of sentences. So the same sentence, I have changed it into 4 different kinds. Exclamatory, a statement, interrogative and imperative. Okay, now let's take another object. Here I have my glasses. Okay, now I'll use my glasses and I will use the 4 different kinds of sentences and I will change it into different kinds of sentences. Okay, now I have a pair of black and gold glasses. Which kind of sentence is this, children? It's a declarative sentence. Okay, now if I have to say imperative, please wear your glasses. Please wear your glasses becomes an imperative sentence. If I have to tell it in an exclamatory way, I will say, wow, what a beautiful pair of glasses I have. Okay, and if I have to tell it in an interrogative way, in an interrogative sentence, I will say, where are your glasses? Okay, children, did you see how simple and very, very interesting it was? How you can use any object you want and you can just frame sentences, widen your grammatical skills and you can use it into different manner. Okay, now I'll give you a quick assignment. Your assignment for today is, you will pick up any object from your home or from the surrounding. You can see anything outside, whatever you find, you will pick it up, you will write it in your notebook and you will use that object and frame 4 different sentences. Okay, I want you to frame 4 different sentences. First one will be the statement. The same object you will use and frame an interrogative sentence. Then you will use the same object to frame an exclamatory and then an imperative sentence. When I will meet you next, I want to see what interesting sentences my children have made using all the 4 different kinds of sentences that we have taught you all. Thank you, children. Stay safe, stay at home, be healthy and happy. Till we meet next time. Bye-bye.